Hello everyone, I'll be demonstrating you the email marketing system developed by Imperium Dynamics. Over here I'm in the model driven app, and in the documentation panel you can see the whole documentation about this app. You can go through it and know the functionalities that how you can actually perform and send emails to groups or individual contacts. So I'll be demonstrating you and a demo on how to create users and groups, how to add groups, and you can create emails and send email marketing emails from this app. So here's the dashboard. You can see here's the email dashboard. You can see how many emails have been sent yet. You can also see the draft emails which are present and the completed emails over here. So I'm in the contact panel over here. I can see multiple contacts. I'll be creating new contacts for you in order to show how it works. So you go to the new contact and you enter name, first name, and the last name, which are the required fields. Actually, you also have to enter the email as well, and we leave the rest for now. We click on save and close. So this contact has been created. I'll make one more. Enter the required fields. Enter the email. And leave the rest. I'll also create contact for vice president over here. I'll make it VP. I'll create a VP. Imperium Dynamics. Demo. Enter the email. I'll write sample email. Yeah, that's much it. And now I've created contacts. Now I have to create groups. What I'm actually doing is I'll be creating two groups. One is the dev team group, and the other one is the business analyst team group. So I'll be creating and adding 3 users each to that group, and after adding those groups, I'll be creating email templates for those specific groups, and then I'll send it using the marketing email panel. So I'll be creating. I'm going to go on the new section. I'll be creating the name for this group. Let's suppose in Dynamics get team. Go in this group. Add existing contacts over here. Over here, I'm adding Saud, Saeed Usman, and Farzan Siddiqui as the Imperium Dynamics. So within a few seconds, going to be added in this group. Yeah, so they have been added. I'll save and close this group. I'll make another group with the name Imperium Dynamics Business Analyst Team. I'll save this. I'll add existing contacts. In this case, I'm going to add look for reports. Add Aksa, Aisha, and Samir to this group. I'm going to save and close. So these groups have been created and they can be visible into the active group section over here. You can now go on the email template section I'll be creating two email templates, one for the dev team and the other for the marketing. So I'll be clicking on new, and I'll create let's suppose dev team. Dev team. I've also I've prepared a template for the dev team. So I'll write subject, I'll copy the subject, place it over here. I'll enter the body of the email over here. So yeah. So okay. Now save and close this. This is done. Now I'll create for the business analyst team. I've already prepared the templates. So here's the subject, the business analyst team. Enter the body over here. Then I'll click on save. So yeah, these two templates have been created, and now I'll go to the most important section of this model-driven app, to the marketing email section. Now I'll be creating a new active marketing email. I'll name it as dev test email, and then I'll look for the template. Over here I can view the dev team template which I have already made, and then after saving it, I'll be able to view. I'll enter the email template. I'll go to the groups section, and I'm going to click, and I'll add an existing group which I created. I created Imperium Dynamics dev team group. I'll add it to this, and then I want to also forward this email to a specific contact as well. So I'll click on add existing contact. I'll click on VP or Vice President or Imperium Dynamics over here. I'll add this. So this is also added. So yeah, I've also placed the email and everything. All the necessary part is done. I'll save this market email. Saving it, I can send it. So it's queued. Now I'll create another marketing email. For this, I'll write BA test email. So yeah, I'll enter the BA team template over here, and then after saving it, I'll attach the group. I'll go on the existing groups over here. I'll go to the business analyst team. I'll add it. Let's add it. Now I want to send it to the individual contact, Vice President of Imperium Dynamics. I'll add him to this. Yes. So this is done. Now I have to save it. Now I have to send this email. So this email has been sent. I'm waiting. It's on draft stage. You can go. You can activate this one as well. So as you can see, I've got the emails related to this because I was also added in the group. So this is how this app works. Thank you everyone.